Nobody would have imagined this bird to start talking. The guy called the bird ugly in a mocking tone. He and his friends didn't realize that the bird can imitate their sound, so it started copying them. Minutes later, they sang and tested if the bird would sing along. To their surprise, it even sang the lyrics first. If you enjoyed the bird singing, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more entertaining videos like this. With every move, the little bird seemed to demand everyone's attention, and somehow it got exactly that.